Hey, Plant Pals, Mike, Kid Gardener. And this is just a quick tip if you want to add some interest to your garden, whether it be like an arrow garden like this, or you know, any type of like a little growing deep water culture tub, small one like that. You want to add some interest to it. My wife got these for me from the dollar store. These are little fairy garden things. I guess you can put them in pots, and you can just add them as little whimsical decorations to your garden. So if you had a plant that had soil, you could stick them in the dirt and have whimsical little plant buddies. And I've shown other ones that I've had before, different gnomes and stuff. Let's see if I can find one here. I got these guys off Amazon. Pretty inexpensive. I think I paid like $8 for a bag of like 30, maybe even less. But yeah, I got all these little focus. There we go. Got all these little buddies, these watering things. And if you were crafty, you could paint them and make them your own. You could paint them. You could bling them out. Put some put some gold on them or some fake diamonds or whatever, and have them really stand out in your garden there. And like I said, if you go back to my videos, I've got them all over the place. I just got these today, so I thought I'd show them off. So yeah, pretty excited about that. That'll be a welcome addition to my inside garden. Again, it's right now I think it's like 6 degrees outside. It's cold. It's gonna snow tonight. There's nothing growing outside, of course, except for snow. And it's dark and dreary. It gets dark at 4 p.m. in Minnesota in the wintertime, and it gets kind of depressing. So growing inside with the lights, you can see how nice and bright that light is. And so you got the light, you got the greenery of the plants, and you got fun little colorful things like this to help cheer you up as you're gardening inside. All right, just something quick, fun I thought I'd show. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.